Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days. Today we're going to talk a little bit about time management. I've had so many people ask about how I get so much done. So we're going to talk a little bit about that, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about our day this morning so far, and I'm going to show you it's like, what does it say, 8:53. Okay, so Danny gets up first, and somewhere between 4 and 5 o'clock in the morning, most mornings, and he sits around, answers questions on YouTube and checks out other people's videos and stuff like that. And he cooks breakfast every morning. That helps me. I get up around 6, or between 5:30 and 6, according to when he wakes me up. And I get up, enjoy my breakfast, enjoy my coffee and all that stuff because he has it all ready. When we get through, I answer questions and check the videos, see if anything needs doing, upload videos if I need to for the next day. I start that. By 6:30 to 7, I'm out feeding the chickens, and I'm back in if I need to do something, or we're out working on a project by 7 o'clock. This morning it was raining, so I said, okay, I need to edit most of the day, but Danny needs a sweet potato dessert, and we've still got sweet potatoes in my floor. So I got up and started with the sweet potatoes and started peeling them for his sweet potato dessert, and said, okay, to get them out of my floor, while I'm peeling, let's just peel extra and do 7 jars in the canner. So this is what I've been doing this morning. I've already got enough cooked for Danny's dessert. Danny helped me a while ago with it. Like I said, it's almost 9 o'clock. I've got these ready. I'm fixing to make the dessert, throw it in the oven. All these eggs I'm fixing to clean. Tomatoes. I've got to make pecan cookies. And the kitchen's reasonable. It's not that clean. But coffee. Tocino going for the day. I got enough done to do the 7 jars and enough left over after taking out for Danny's dessert and getting it cooked to cook these, and I will have enough to make dessert for the rest of the week. I won't have to peel potatoes, later on in the week to do a dessert. So all these are fixing to start. I'm fixing to put the lid on, and we're going to start with 7. And this smells wonderful. I've got the pumpkin spice going, so I have a little bit of cinnamon and stuff smelling through the house. Oh, it smells great. So how do I do it? Lots of times it's Danny. He keeps me motivated and keeps me going. But we are both so OCD about things, and we want to see things done and finished. And so we just keep pushing ourselves every day. But we are both go-getters. And if you're not, how do you change that? Well, one thing I think you should do, if you're not the motivated person that you want to be, change your sleeping habits. If you go to sleep at, say, 11, 12 o'clock at night, back up to 10 o'clock. Make yourself go to bed every night at 10 o'clock, set an alarm, and get up at 6. If you're one that sleeps in late, make yourself get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Make yourself some coffee, whatever it takes to get through the day, and push yourself all day long. And, of course, you can sit down. That's not a big deal. We sit, too. But make yourself finish a project. Get you a project and say, okay, tomorrow I'd like to finish whatever, canning my sweet potatoes. Get up, 6 o'clock. Get your cup of coffee. Get motivated. Get it done. And then do whatever else you need to do. Clean house, cook, whatever. Get it done. When it gets 10 o'clock, make yourself go to bed. Don't stay up on the internet. Don't stay up watching TV. Whatever you do after 10 o'clock, stop it. Plain and simple, stop it. Go to bed. Even if you don't sleep the first few nights, I guarantee you, if you make yourself get up at 6 o'clock every morning and you complete tasks every day, whether it's mopping the floors, vacuuming, cleaning toilets, feeding chickens and butchering chickens, whatever it takes that you need to get done, and you keep saying you don't have the time or whatever, stop at 10 o'clock, go to bed. Get up at 6 and set yourself 2 or 3 goals every day. See if that doesn't help, guys. Eventually, you'll work into a pattern that will help you learn to accomplish task. That's something that as children, lots of people aren't taught to do, is to finish task. They're allowed to do it when they get ready to do it, or do it if they're forced to do it, or whatever. Set yourself some goals and stick with them. It may take you 2 or 3 weeks to get used to going to bed at 10 o'clock and getting up at 6, but you can get more done between 6 and 9 if you get up, get motivated, get started. If you wait till 9 o'clock to get up, or 10, you've lost half the day and you're just going to be behind all day long. So I hope that helps, and I got to get busy. Got a lot more to do today. I'm going to be editing most of the day. So talk to you later. Bye, guys.